Stop. Before you make dinner tonight, look at your air fryer basket. See that shiny black nonstick coating? That might be slowly poisoning you. I know, that sounds like clickbait, but here's the thing. That coating, it's Teflon. And when it heats up past 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it releases toxic fumes that can literally kill a pet bird in minutes. So what's it doing to you? I'm Linda, and this is Variety Next, where we cut through the marketing BS and tell you what actually matters. And hey, if you want to skip the research and just grab a safe air fryer, I've pinned my top pick in the comments and the description box. It's stainless steel, it's tested, and it won't gas you while making fries. Now hit that subscribe button because this gets worse before it gets better.
Let's talk about what Teflon actually is. The chemical name is PTFE, polytetrafluoroethylene. Basically, it's a plastic coating that makes things non-stick. At normal cooking temperatures, like 350 to 400 degrees, it's considered safe. But here's the problem. Air fryers can hit 500 degrees or higher, especially when they're preheating or running empty for a few seconds. At those temperatures, Teflon starts breaking down. It releases chemicals called PFOAs and PFAs, forever chemicals. They're called that because they never break down in your body or the environment. Studies have linked these chemicals to thyroid disease, high cholesterol, pregnancy complications, and even certain cancers. And you're cooking your kids chicken nuggets in this? Okay, so what's the alternative? Stainless steel baskets. Now, I'm not gonna lie, food sticks more to stainless steel. You'll need to use a tiny bit of oil or parchment paper. But here's what you get in return. No toxic fumes. Ever. Stainless steel is stable up to 1,500 degrees. Your air fryer will explode before stainless steel breaks down. It's also way more durable. Nonstick coatings scratch and peel over time, and when they do, you're literally eating little flakes of Teflon. Gross. Stainless steel? You can scrub it with steel wool and it's fine. The downside? Stainless steel air fryers cost a bit more. Usually $120 to $200 instead of $60 to $100. But you're paying for something that won't poison you and will last a decade.
Here's what most people don't realize. Even if you're careful, nonstick coatings degrade. Every time you use a metal utensil, every time you wash it in the dishwasher, you're scratching that coating. And once it's scratched, game over. Those toxic particles are going straight into your food. So what should you look for in a stainless steel air fryer? 3 things. 1, make sure it's actually stainless steel, not just stainless steel finish over a nonstick coating. Check the product specs. 2, look for 304 grade stainless steel. That's food grade, restaurant quality. 3, check reviews for how easy it is to clean. Some stainless steel baskets have terrible designs that trap food. And like I said earlier, I've done the work for you. The air fryer I recommend is pinned at the top of the comments. Just click the link and you're set.
So here's the bottom line. If you already own a Teflon air fryer, don't panic. Just don't use it at super high temps, don't preheat it empty, and replace it as soon as the coating shows anywhere. But if you're buying new, go stainless steel. Yes, it's a bit more work. Yes, it costs more upfront. But you're not gambling with your long-term health. Think about it. You bought an air fryer to eat healthier. What's the point if the device itself is making you sick? That's it for today's Variety Next. If this video just saved you from years of chemical exposure, hit that like button and subscribe. And seriously, check out that pinned air fryer. Your future self will thank you. Cook smart, people, not toxic.